Engineers report of $1,051,000 and a tender received from Transfield Services of Rotorua for $762,000.
It's interesting through the chair that you can have such a wide range over 3 tenders.
But the issue is, and the questions are going to come up, so regardless of how many lights get smashed, however they get light, however they break, or whether they fail naturally, or whether cars run into them, or kids shoot them out with Shanghais, or whatever happens, they've got to replace. Correct. In that price.
Yes.
Councillor Minsher? Oh, sorry, Councillor Johnson.
Is it for light bulb replacement or more electrical type work?
Majority of it is of a light bulb replacement basis, but as has just been referred to, should there be any structural damage for any variety of reasons, that comes into the...
This company can do it also?
They do it also.
Okay. Councillor Minsher?
And same question as previous. Alan, is this saving us money going forward compared to the last budgets?
Yes.
It is. Great.
And has it ever been done in-house?
No, it has never been done in-house.
Councillor Henderson?
Just a minor thing, but I noticed on this report and the one previously, report reviewed. Are these reports meant to be reviewed or approved? Because they've been prepared, but...
unfortunately, both Dennis Lewis and myself were out of the country at the time of the collation of the papers. SLG had reviewed them, but neither of us were here to sign them.
If we wanted to do this in-house, we'd have to buy all sort of machinery to get up to the height of that pole, put another bulb in it and things like that. So I think we're always looking for ways to try and save some money. I think that one's one that we wouldn't want to grab a hold of for ourselves personally. I think it's pretty specialised. I did check with Mr. Green this morning if we could actually extrapolate this contract. My mind, as soon as I read it, was I know we've had trouble in the past with street lighting, under veranda street lighting in the CBD, in the shops. Tauranga had a lot of problem with that for years, and of course it strikes to the heart of safety, and Tauranga ended up putting it in this contract. They had to do the under verandas as well, but Mr. Green tells me we've now got it in hand and the landowners or tenants are being a lot more responsible, and we seem to have solved that problem. Is that correct, Mr. Green? Yes. So that being the case, if there's no further questions, comments or anything on it, I will ask for a mover to accept the tender. Councillor Craig, seconded Councillor Minsher. All those in favour? Aye. Carried. Okay, agenda item number 8. Moving on is a proposed sublease of part of owned